Today, we leave the energy of Saigon behind and welcome you to the Mekong Delta. This vast region stretches across 40,000 square kilometers, where the mighty Mekong River slows down, splits into 9 main branches, and finally dissolves into the South China Sea. Here, land and water are inseparable. Rivers replace roads, boats replace cars, and life flows according to the rhythm of the tides. The climate is tropical year-round, hot, humid, and generous with rain. These seasonal floods are not a disaster here. They are a blessing, renewing the soil and feeding the crops. Over 17 million people live in the Delta, many in villages built directly along the riverbanks. Their lives depend on agriculture and aquaculture. Endless rice paddies, fruit orchards, coconut groves, and fish farms floating quietly on the water. The Mekong Delta is home to more than 4,500 fish farms, 300 aquaculture feed production facilities, 362 fish storage and processing enterprises. The main types of fish from the Mekong Delta include basa, the most well-known species, tilapia, another important species, shrimp, also an important export product from the Delta. These products are widely available in the markets of the USA and Japan, China, and Hong Kong. But beyond numbers, the Mekong Delta is about slowness, about mornings wrapped in mist, about smiles exchanged from passing boats, about a way of life that has changed little for generations. Our journey begins on a motorboat cutting smoothly across the wide river. Soon, the open water narrows, the engine slows, and we enter a hidden jungle channel. Towering water mangrove palms lean inward, their branches forming a living green tunnel above us. Sunlight filters through the leaves, flickering across the calm, muddy water. The noise of the city fades away. Here, only the river speaks. We step onto the shore, and the jungle immediately surrounds us. The air feels thicker here, rich with the scent of earth, fruit, and leaves warming in the sun. Bananas, pomelos, jackfruit, and coconuts grow freely around the homes, often just steps from the river. Life moves gently. We see locals tending their gardens, drying fruit, chatting in the shade. Children waving shyly as we pass. This is everyday life in the Delta. Simple, unhurried, deeply connected to nature. Nothing feels staged, nothing feels rushed. Just people living in harmony with the land and water. Next, we hop into a tuk-tuk and ride through the narrow village streets. The road winds between houses, gardens, and canals. Chickens scatter, palm trees sway overhead. It's bumpy, loud, joyful, and full of character. A perfect glimpse into rural Delta life. We stop at a small family-run workshop where coconut candy is made by hand. Fresh coconut milk is heated, stirred, and slowly transformed into soft, sweet treats. We sample local fruits. Taste snake tincture, a traditional rice wine infused with herbs and snake, believed to bring strength and vitality. Bold, unusual, unforgettable, just like the Mekong Delta itself. Now, we board a small canoe and glide silently into another narrow canal. Here, the water is almost completely hidden beneath arching mangrove palms. Branches brush the surface. The world feels enclosed, secret, peaceful. Each paddle stroke echoes softly, as if time itself has slowed down. This is one of the most magical moments of the day. Lunch is served at a local riverside restaurant. The highlight, deep-fried elephant earfish, crispy, golden, and beautifully presented. Banh xeo is a popular Vietnamese crispy, savory crepe or pancake simple food, made unforgettable by its setting. As the day ends, we return by river once more. The light softens. The water reflects the sky. Slowly, the countryside fades and the streets of Saigon reappear, busier, louder, glowing in the evening. From jungle silence to city rhythm, the Mekong Delta leaves us with something rare, a reminder to slow down and listen to the flow of life.